Hello everyone. Welcome to Building Your Workspace in Public. My name is Sakshi Agrawal and I am a Java backend developer with passionating about building scaling enterprise grade applications. In this series, we are going to build a complete HR management system called Workspace using Java 21, Spring Boot, microservices, MySQL, Docker, Resilience 4J, Kafka, Jot Security, and AI Assistant development. This won't be another code tutorial. Instead, we will focus on how software is actually designed, built, optimized, and maintained in the real world enterprise environment. Why this series? There are thousands of tutorials available online that teaches you how to build a code application. Those are useful for only the learning basics, but they rarely show what happened inside the real software project. When I started working in the industry, I realized there was a huge gap between the tutorial and the production system. That real application involves the architecture, clear code, validation, security, performance optimizations, logging, monitoring, resilience, and collaboration across multiple services. That's what I started this journey. My goal is to bridge that gap by building a production style application from scratch while sharing every step publicly. What is the Workspace about? Let's take a look at the project. Workspace is an HR management system that will manage employee, department, payroll, authentication, and many other businesses modules. Instead of creating one large application, we will build multiple independent microservices. Each services will have a clear responsibility and communication with other services when needed. This approach makes our application easier to maintain, test, scale, something that commonly followed in the enterprise environment. Right now, we already have initial project structure in place. Over the next episode, we will continue adding features and improving the architecture step by step. The technology, what we are using here, throughout this journey, we will work on with the technology that are widely used in the backend environment. We will be using Java 21 Spring Boot as the foundation. We will build REST API and organize our code using a layered architecture. We are using MySQL as our database, Docker for running service consistently across the environment. Later on, we will explore to the Kafka for asynchronous communication, Resilience 4J for fault tolerance, Spring Security with Jot authentication, and AI tool to review the code and improve the development productivity. More importantly, we will discuss why each technology is used, not just how to configure it. What makes the series different? One thing I want to emphasize is that the series is not only about writing the code. Every episode will answer the questions like why are we building these features? What is the problem does it solve? How it is used in the real companies? What are the best practices? What interview question can be asked? How can AI help us to improve the implementation? My aim is to help you to understand the reason behind the code because that was make someone a better software engineer. What you can expect here. Along this journey, we will build multiple microservices, implement enterprise design patterns, improve performance, add resilience, secure our API, containerize the application, and measure the real performance improvement. I will also build writing a ebook based on this project. So every feature we implement will contribute to both the application and the learning material. If you are preparing for a backend interview, working with a Spring Boot, or simply interested in seeing how enterprise software is built, I hope this will find you the best series useful. At last, thank you for joining me on the day one of this journey. In the next episode, we will be start exploring the employee services and understand why enterprise applications separates controller, service, repository, details, and entities into a different layers. I look forward for building Workspace together, one feature at a time. Engineering insight for the day. Good software isn't just about making the code work, it's about making it understandable, maintainable, and scalable for the people who will work on it tomorrow. AI tips of the day. Use AI to a brainstorm idea and review your code, but always verify the suggestion with your own understanding and testing. AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement of the engineering judgment. At last, interview question of the day. Why do enterprise applications prefer a layered architecture instead of putting all the logic inside the controller? Answer is because each layer has a single responsibility. Controller handles the request, service contains the business logic, repository interact with the database, and DPO define the API contract. This separation improves the maintainability, testability, and scalability. Closing, remember, don't learn just to write the code, learn to build the software that company can trust in production. See you in the next episode for Building Workspace in Public. Thank you and have a nice day.